This is the brief on target date funds. There's over $4 trillion sitting in these funds. Why? Well, because they're the default set it and forget it choice for most 401ks. But that convenience, it often masks some pretty serious risks and really confusing strategies that can quietly wreck your retirement. First, you got to know if your fund goes to or through retirement. See, a to fund gets to its safest, most conservative mix right on the day you retire. But a through fund, and a lot of the big defaults are like this, it keeps you heavily in stocks for maybe 10, even 20 years after you stop working. We're talking two totally different risk profiles hiding behind the exact same 2050 label. Second, please don't get caught in the naming trap. High fees are the #1 killer of your returns. And get this, Fidelity has a Freedom Fund and a Freedom Index Fund. They sound almost identical, right? Except the first one is actively managed and can cost you about 6 times more. Picking the wrong one means paying a huge premium for what's likely going to be worse performance. And finally, that date on the fund, it is not a safety guarantee. Back in 2008, some funds for people retiring in just 2 years lost over 40%. The date's just a guide. An aggressive fund can still crush your savings right when you need it most. So, look under the hood. Know if you're in a to or through fund, and look for low fees, because convenience should never cost you your security.